Hi, and welcome back to Blue's Garden. I am down at the Cape in Truro. Busy few days, been getting the beach office set up. That is my summer job where I handle all your requests at the beach office. But meanwhile, I am doing a video on the Florida weave. I am doing a Florida weave on the tomatoes. It is a way to trellis your tomatoes without tying up every single individual tomato plant. That would be crazy. It would be insane with all the tomatoes I have. So it's a great way to trellis tomatoes, a large group of tomatoes all at once. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm also going to plant some cucumbers and some dill. And I'm going to give you a quick tour of the garden. Although I realized after I shot all the video, I missed a couple things. But anyway, please like, share, and subscribe this video. It is a real video from a real human being, not AI, not AI. And also, it is a bit of a long form, and YouTube has been de-emphasizing the long form. Anything that's more than a minute or a minute and a half, which is short, that's what they're trying to promote, is shorts. But this is helpful advice, and sometimes that doesn't come in under a minute. So, thank you very much. Let's take a look at the Florida weave. We've got 1, 2 more poles, so we'll Florida weave in there. This will be similar. 1, 2, we'll Florida weave around there, and same. We'll Florida weave back and forth. Alright, so first up, I'm just using some cotton twine. I'm going to tie it around the first pole, nice tight knot over there, and then I'm going to go alternate behind and front of the different tomato plants. I'm going to wrap it a couple of times around the pole here, go behind, in front, so that's a behind, this one is in front, behind, around the pole, then go in front, creating a little sandwich, behind, so you alternate behind and in front, behind and in front. You're making these X's with the string. Wrap it a couple times around the pole, and then tie it off at the end. Alright, tied off here, around. It's sort of just trellising it up. It's not really a Florida weave yet. Basically all 3 rows of this is weave around, ends back and forth. That's 1 row. Sort of sandwich. You just go back and forth on the other side as you come back. Same, back and forth around the plant. Alright, so first up I have 2 kinds of cucumber. The first one is the Market More, which is a pretty popular variety. I'm going to plant, these are your typical, 6 to 8 inch slicer, pretty common. I'm going to plant, just dig a little hole, pop these individuals in. I'm going to end up trellising these a little bit later. What I'm doing is looking to see which ones are the best out of the 6-pack that I've got here. Separate them out. Hopefully the roots are still good. Get them in, tuck them in. A couple of them that are not going to be my choices. Pop these guys out, decide which ones I'm going to save. I got two more I think I'm going to do. So this is the 25-gallon grow bag. Oh no, sorry, cucumbers are in the 30, I think. 30-gallon grow bags. And this one is the Boston pickling, which is a slightly smaller, 4 to 5 inch, typically much smaller seeds, a little slightly thicker skin, just holds up better for pickling, long-term pickling. And again, same thing, dig a little hole, find the best ones, put them in there. I'm going to end up with some more green stakes in here so that they will have something to climb up, or the pickling. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the market more. And now at the market more, I'm also going to pop in. Sorry, it looks like dig a little hole. I'm going to put in a little dill in there. And a little garden tour. And to watch the tour, in the background in the woodpile is a chipmunk that was hiding in there. So anyway, off to the tour. So I overwintered 2 different kinds of green onion and some chives. I'm going to collect the seeds for these once they go to seed. I have, these are Tokyo long white bunching onion, and I'm going to collect these seeds. This is the front walk. Either side of my front walk I have some lavender growing. Just been digging weeds out and getting some mulch down. Something tells me the lace cap hydrangea is going to be impressive this season. Looks like our tomatoes, 2, 4, 6, 8 are doing okay from transplant. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 peppers. Yukon Gold. The potatoes seem to be doing well. The strawberries are doing very well. Herbs, basil, lettuce, more herbs, more raspberries. That's strawberry in there. Adirondack red. This is my mystery mix of all the extras. Adirondack blue. This is the new Sarpo. There's a raspberry coming up in the middle of, in between all the plants. Three Jubilee. 1, 2, 3. Rio Grande, 1, 2, 3. These are the Romas. There are 2 baby Roma, 4 regular Roma, and 2 black Roma. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 butternut. 1, 2, 3, 4 San Marzano. 1, 2, 3, 4 Rutger. Black Krim, Black Krim. Black Krim, Black Krim. 1, 2, 3 pineapple. black crim, black crim. 1, 2, 3, lemon boy. Cucumber. These are the pickling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the Marketmore and some dill. Mad Hatters. One, two, three mushroom basket. And some more raspberry. This needs to be, I need to thin this, but this I overseeded some carrot. 2 rows of Danvers and then 2 rows of a rainbow mix, and I will have to come through and thin these soon. Thin these soon enough. Eggplant, eggplant. These 2 are Black Beauty. Long purple, long purple. So 4 long purple, 2 Black Beauty. Golden Zooks. This is a Black Beauty zucchini. Black Beauty zucchini, Black Beauty zucchini. Marigolds, which as you notice, I have them interspersed in a lot of places. Marigolds. These are beet. I overseed the beet as well. I'll give it a little longer and then I'll sort of pick some of this out and use the beetroot in some salad of some type. Again with the marigolds. 2 sweetie. 2 yellow pear. 1, 2 red pear. Again with the marigold. Sorry, 2 yellow pear. 2 red pear. 1, 2 black cherry. 1, 2 white cherry. Sorry, 3 white cherry. 1, 2, 3 Amish paste. And then peas are growing in the background. I didn't pull them out, even though I found out you don't plant peas and alliums together. And I already did that. So, these are overwintered. These are overwintered, and these 3 are overwintered. And I'll have to collect these seeds later. I did not, for some reason, take video of the garlic or the bulbing onions. I am growing 3 varieties of garlic, which I planted in October, which are just about to start scapes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bulbing onion types, plus the 2 bunching onion and the chives. Oh, and shallots. So, thank you very much for lasting this long. I really appreciate it if you would like, share, and subscribe. YouTube is really de-emphasizing long-form video. Anything longer than 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes is considered long-form video. So I'd really appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe this. There is no AI in this video. This is all me. Thanks. Thank you very much.